Hi there, I'm Peter Millard, and in the 10-minute workshop Tuesday tip department this week, we've got a quick table saw tip for you. If you ever need to move your fence and get it back into position, it's quick and easy, and it's coming up next. So, real quick tip, shooting on my phone, just sort of while I'm doing it kind of thing. If you're familiar with the channel, you know I'm not really a table saw user. I much prefer a track saw, but they do have their uses that do come in handy for things like repetitive narrow rips, and what do you know, I've got a whole bunch of narrow rips to do, so I've been using my table saw to do those. The trouble is I need to move on to the next part of the process. I need to rip some 6mm, which I'll then clad this with to minimise the cut edges. And what I'd really like is some way of putting a stop on the fence here so I can get this back just in case I need to cut an extra couple of these. And this fence, this scale on the fence is way off ever since I've added this attractive secondary fence. And what I'd really like is just some simple way of adding a stop to this so that I can get the fence back exactly if I need to. And what do you know, it turns out that there is actually a super easy way of doing this. All it takes is a little bit of masking tape and a pen and a teensy little scrap of off-cut MDF. And all we do, we butt that tiny little bit of MDF tightly up against the fence and we just tape it down. Nice and tight, so it's not going to move. And we take our pen, our Sharpie, and we write what it is on it. 24. And now we can move that fence and get it back in exactly the same position every time. So there we are. Sometimes it's the simplest things are the best, and all it takes is a roll of sticky tape, a little scrap of MDF and a pen for you to be able to get your fence back into position if you have to move it. That's it there for this week's quick tip. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.